this video, we are going to use 3 machines to make a snowman cutout. Vision's VR48 and 2550 CNC router engraver and the 1624 Pro engraver. Running multiple machines at once can speed up production, allowing you to finish projects faster and more efficiently, saving you time and money. The VR48 CNC router engraver offers a 4-foot by 8-foot work area, making it ideal for large projects or high-volume applications. Vision's 2525 CNC router engraver has a 25-inch by 25-inch work area. Its smaller size make it more accommodating to shops with minimal floor space. Vision's 1624 Pro engraver has a 16-inch by 24-inch work area and fits on most countertops. It is ideal for smaller shops looking to add the capabilities of a professional-grade engraver. All of Vision's machines are high-quality, low-maintenance systems. They have a variety of options, making them highly versatile and adaptive to a variety of applications. Work with wood, plastic, coated or uncoated metals, and many other materials. Make custom signs, ADA braille sign, cutouts, print to cut, dimensional letters, serialization, parts marking, gift personalization, tags, plates, parts fabrication, and more. Learn more about Vision engravers and CNC routers. Visit us online at www.visionengravers.com today.